Never before have we in the manufacturing world had to do more with less. Shops across the country face skilled labor shortages, demanding customers, unforgiving production schedules, as well as the increasing complexity of parts and the equipment used to produce them. All this while we know that we need to constantly improve, a goal that's tough to reach when all you can do is react to the latest challenge. CECO can help. Our Engineered Solutions team represents a company-wide commitment to comprehensive support for your operations. We handle the process optimization details, and you reap the profits while minimizing disruptions to your work. Our best and brightest engineering minds work hard to find comprehensive solutions, and the results, an average increase in productivity of 25%, speak for themselves. Still not convinced? Let me walk you through our process for optimizing your process. We begin with a visit to your facility where our experts and yours will meet so we can get a thorough understanding of your needs and goals. And whether your process is one you've been working on since you opened your shop or an entirely new project, we need to know all of the specifications and requirements to devise your optimized process. To do this, we'll ask all the questions you expect, as well as some that maybe you haven't considered yet. And we'll come away with everything we need to know to design the best process. Next, we'll take all that information and bring it back with us to our headquarters in Troy, Michigan, where the Engineered Solutions team will get started on your project. Our proven, continuously evaluated, and improved process hinges on a lean, mean workflow that encompasses everything from defining the scope of your project to mapping out the execution, installation, and beyond. Even complicated projects that involve lots of cooks in the kitchen aren't a problem for CECO. Our work experience has given us the chance to form strong partnerships with peers at every level of the manufacturing process, empowering us to lead projects with the full confidence of all involved parties. You can be confident as well, because we'll take you along with us every step of the way as we map, manage, and track your project. As we begin evaluating potential ideas, we draw on the collective expertise of our engineering experts from all over the world, a knowledge base that collectively possesses knowledge in every market, segment, and application. We'll review everything about your part's design and material, then we'll establish the machine and tooling required to produce that part and the optimal machining processes and production flow that will cut it as quickly and efficiently as possible. Once we've taken a look at all the possibilities, we'll select likely candidates and test them ourselves to provide the best possible outcome. While standard tooling is optimal for many types of parts, others often require custom components. Luckily, Engineered Solutions works closely with the Custom Products Department here at CECO. Whether we decide that a modified existing product will suffice or that your needs call for developing a whole new tool from scratch, we have the expertise necessary to find the perfect solution for your individual application requirements. Once we've finished our research, we present our findings directly to you in the form of a comprehensive proposal. Now, this is no simple summary of our investigation. Our Engineered Solutions team will describe exactly how to optimally produce the part, including the equipment used and how to apply it. We not only define the best cutting processes, but also the best machines, tools, and accessories, as well as the optimized cutting data. At this point in the process, we've completed our design and compiled a comprehensive report on our findings. The final decision, however, is yours. We won't move forward until we have your full confidence, and we'll answer all your questions and address all your concerns until we gain your full agreement. Once you sign off on the proposal, we get to work immediately. If custom products are required, we'll quickly build them in our 35,000 square foot state-of-the-art production facility here in Troy, Michigan. Here we have the latest in machining technology and can meet any custom tooling need. Now, our production facility and our headquarters are in the same location, so collaboration between custom products and engineered solutions is easy. Also, our project management experts are involved in every step of the process to ensure your new tools come off the production line as quickly as possible and exactly according to specifications. Of course, we don't just build the tools, we also conduct runoffs. The tools are assembled, balanced, and ready to integrate in production before they reach your facility. When you receive the tools, they'll be ready to cut parts. Not only that, but the tools will arrive at your door in a single package with the components for each tool packed together. Everything is clearly labeled and ready to quickly sort and organize so that you can start producing parts immediately. We take full ownership of the entire project, with the same team working on your solution from beginning to end. They'll be there when you unbox your new machines, tooling, and other components, and they'll be there to help you put it all together. As far as CECO is concerned, we're not finished until you're running parts that meet your exact specifications. Even after the project is finished, We remain fully committed to your continued success. A new process is useless without someone to manage and maintain it. So our training staff will be on hand to work directly with your operators on the process and fine-tuning cutting data. Likewise, even after you've got everything set up and running smoothly, CECO will remain a resource you can call on anytime you have a question or need support. The same global team of experts that help design your fully optimized process is there to provide the utmost in customer service and support throughout the productive life of your new process. CECO has engineering teams around the world solely dedicated to engineered solutions projects, which means that no matter where your company is, we can quickly get to your facility and start work on the development of your optimized process. Now is the time to join the many other companies that have enjoyed substantial savings upon implementing our processes. Talk to your local CECO salesperson to get started, or contact us directly by phone at 1-800-896-2593 or by email at epd@cecotools.com.